What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna make my venison spaghetti. Now, this is my mom's recipe. Gotta give her credit. So, what you're gonna need: a pound of ground venison, deer, elk, moose, or beef. If you have fat added with it, it will have to be drained off. Now, this antelope does not have any fat with it, so it will not be drained in the video. This spaghetti noodles, some traditional Prego, and Italian seasoning. That's really it. Just break it up. Part of it's a little bit frozen, that's okay. It'll thaw out over this heat. Get this all ground up. Take your Italian seasoning. You're gonna put a pretty good coat over the whole thing and get that cooked into it. Okay, so the meat's starting to brown, starting to cook. You're gonna want to fully cook this. What I'm actually gonna do is take a second little coating of Italian seasoning, cook it through. Our ground is fully cooked, so let's lower the heat. Take your entire jar of traditional Prego, dump it in. Okay, we got all the Prego and ground blended up. We're just gonna do a light dusting of more Italian seasoning and get that cooked in. Now the last touch is gonna be about a tablespoon and a half of sugar, real sugar. And mix that in. Okay, let's make some garlic bread. First thing you need to do is get your oven set on broil on high and get it hot. Depending on how much bread you use is going to determine how much spices you use. So this is a fairly thick piece of bread, so I put plenty of butter on it, and I'm putting plenty of spice. Keep a good eye on it. Alright, y'all let this rest for 5 to 10 minutes before y'all cut it up and eat it.